what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to share a few things which are considered as myths but really having a huge scientific reasons behind it. Let's go.
Why do temples and churches have bells? People start worship ringing the bell, praying that the peace and the goodness enters them and all demonic forces depart. The temple bell was a crafted object which made of alloys of metal like zinc, copper, bronze, cadmium, etc. The quantity of each metal is very accurate scientific calculations. The sound of the bell creates a resonation which causes immediate harmony between the left and the right brain. The echo lasted 7 seconds, touching 7 chakras of body. The sound of the bell creates a power of concentration to focus on the higher. Why do we worship idols? India had a long history of idol worship. Let me tell you an example. When we had money in our wallet, we are aware of money power. Our ancestors understood that it was difficult for ordinary mind to abstract the truth, so they created the idols. When people worship idols, it helps them to focus more by increasing concentration. Why people wore silk clothes while they go to temple? Silk had the capacity to attract and absorb electromagnetic energy. The friction between the cloth and the body creates an electromagnetic attraction. The energy will transmit to the people who wore the silk cloth, which creates a feeling of calmness and concentration. The silk also prevents the loss of energy, thereby producing more concentration. Why do Indian women wear toe rings? Toe rings were worn by traditional Indian women. It's not just to indicate the marital status of the woman, it's to have some scientific reasons behind it. Toe rings were made of silver and worn on the second toe. There is a nerve which starts from the second toe and goes to the uterus and then to the heart. By wearing the toe rings, they will have good circulation, thereby strengthening their uterus. The menstruational cycle also regulated, ensuring speedy conception. Silver is known to be a good conductor. It absorbs energy from the earth and passes it to the whole body. Why do Indian women wear bangles? Nowadays, people will think it's a kind of fashion, and some says that the sound of the bangle keep negative forces away. But the truth is here. Basically, the bones of the woman were weaker than those of men's. Bangles were traditionally made of gold and silver. This metal helps to absorb energy which was transmitted to the body. The constant friction between the bangle and the wrist area provides good blood circulation. The energy which was released by the skin was absorbed by the metal in the bangles and returned to the body without any wastage. Why do women apply henna on hands and feet? Apart from the fact that it looks beautiful, there is a very scientific reason behind it. Applying henna cools the body and brings down fever and headaches. Henna is also an important antiviral and antifungal agent. Amazing, right? Why do Indian married women apply sindoor on their forehead? We all thinking that the sindoor was applied to indicate a married woman, but the scientific reason is here. The sindoor consists of a mixture of lime, turmeric and mercury. These things helps to decrease the blood pressure and also enhance the sexual drive. It also brings down the feeling of stress. If we sleep with our heads towards the north, we will invite evil spirits. Our granny and grandpa says that, right? But the scientific reason is here. We all know that Earth has a magnetic field. We know our body has a magnetic field. When we sleep our heads towards the south, then the unlike poles of the earth and the body attracts each other, which provides a peaceful sleep and rest. Likewise, when we sleep with our heads towards the east, the energy of the sun enters the body through the head and leaves through the feet, leaving with a cool head and the warm feet. When we sleep with our heads towards the west, the reverse will happen. It will give an unpleasant sleep. When we sleep with our heads toward the north, the iron in our body tends to coagulate with the brain, creating disturbance, headaches, etc. Even it creates and causes neurological issues. So it's better to sleep with our heads towards the south or east.
Hey guys, and how was the video today? I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give thumbs up, comment, share and please press the red button below. If you want to follow my personal journey, you can follow me on Instagram at Sasiharan_Krishna and on Twitter at Sasi_Haran. I'll be back soon. Till then, peace out.